Hi everyone, the video today is, well, it made me smile a little bit. It was sent in by a viewer, and how often have we seen something go on in the road where we think if only there was a police car? Well, I wish he's come true with this one. Have a look at it. The car that we're watching is the one coming from behind, coming down the slit road following us. And watch it now deal with the black BMW in lane 2. And also have a look behind to see who's followed it off the slit road. Now the black BMW has moved for the police car, it's straight back into lane 2 for the duration of their journey. I was expecting them to turn right somewhere up here, but they take the signal off. Nice. The clip stops before we see where the police pull in the offender. So there are a few little things I'd just like to discuss about this clip. First thing, the Undertake. The Undertake, was it the Undertake that caused the police to go, enough's enough, I'm going to pull this particular driver in? Probably. Now as you do come down onto this road from Slit Road, it did say, as we saw in the clip, you may not have picked it up, but it did say it was a 40 miles an hour limit, and I'm pretty certain that the car that the police eventually pulled over was doing more than 40, so they were being followed for a while by this police vehicle, but I'm pretty certain it was the Undertake that caused the police to put the blues on. Is Undertaking legal? No, it's not. Is Undertaking in some situations really dangerous? Well, yes. If you look at this Undertake quickly again, it went really close to the two vehicles, and first of all the one that it undertook it cut in front of, and the one that was in front of it seemed pretty close as well. So that was probably the final straw, if you like, for the police to go, yeah, we're pulling this guy. Another thing that I'd like to just quickly go on about regarding this clip is the terrible lane discipline of the black BMW. It was that black BMW that obviously caused the other car to undertake. Would it have made a difference on that car going past? Don't think so. I think that car was going to go past regardless of what lane it was in. It was just on a little bit of a mission, but it was probably the lane discipline, or the poor lane discipline of the BMW, that then caused the car to do the undertake, and therefore the police to finally pull them in. So I'm not praising the BMW in any way, please don't take me wrong. We are going to look at poor lane discipline in another video. I have been collecting footage for a little while, and it is something that I've got planned to do over the next couple of weeks, so bear with me on that video. While we still concentrate on this one, let me know what you think on the comments. Have you ever had a situation where you've seen the police pull someone in for something that they've done around you, and did it make you smile? I don't usually make a big thing of people getting prosecuted for driving offences. I prefer the education route, but honestly it did make me chuckle when I saw this video, so thanks a lot for sending it in, and please keep doing so. Take care everyone, I will see you all soon.